Dyma diwedd y beirniadu, y dosbarth, yr adran C, yr Caseg Wag neu Adfarch hŷn yn dod i ben, ond mae tipyn bach o densiwn yma gan bod y beirniad. Mrs Nicola Jones yn cadw i gamu. Wy'n gobeithio bydd hi ddim yn newid pethach. Nawr te, Lawri. Beth yw pwynt ar manwfer bach hyn, gwed?
So mae'r beirniad Mrs Nicola Jones yn troi nhw i'r ochr nawr i weld y ddwy gaseg sydd ar y brig ochr wrth ochr. Bydd hyn yn neud yn haws iddi gymharu y ddwy yn lle bod nhw, a dwi'n meddwl bod yna'n newid. Oes. Oes.
Syndod.
Ie, mae'r ail, so Phoebe Prater yn dangos ar rhan i myngu Carol Prater wedi mynd fyny i'r top efo synod Rhapsody yn black. Hon falle'n siwto y matchod yr gaseg cynt, chod y gaseg junior neu'r black dress.
Odi, na, wyt ti'n gwneud pwynt
chod yr ddwy gaseg yn caseg dyd a Pedair Hosom Wen. So lyflu i Phoebe fyna i ennill y dosbarth yna. Mae'n gweithio'n galed iawn efo'r cyffyle. Yn wedi colli i fy ci fyna llynedd yw'r blwyddyn cynt, so a dwi'n gwybod bydd e'n edrych lawr arni heddi.
Siom i'r gwr bach sydd wedi goffo mynd yn ail yn dyfe i fod mor agos a benni mor bell.
Wel, yr eiliad ola ni fe.
Torri'n y galon.
So Jonathan Hill fyna efo'r gaseg Ormond Ruby's Delight ar rhan Justin a Heidi Davies. A Richard Morgan wedi magu hi.
A dyma ni. Mae'r dewis wedi benni yn dosbarth yn yr adran C, y Caseg Wag hŷn neu Adfarch, ar diwedd y beirniadu sydd wedi achosi ambell i siom fach wedyn ni. Mae'r dewis ar synod Rhapsody in black.
Ac felly mae Cob wedi cyflwyno yn ail dosbarth y bore yn yr adran ec. Many thanks to Sam Taylor for representing Loxley to present the awards in the Senior Barren Mare class in the section C. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i'r enillydd. Many congratulations to the winner here today, number 701, and this is Carol Prater with Synod Rhapsody in black. Give a round of applause for the winning Senior Barren Mare.
Wel, fe gaethon ni siom fach yn beirniadu y dosbarth sy'n benni tîm blaen i ni, Caseg Wag neu Adfarch hŷn, wrth i'r enillydd gael ddod mewn i'r brig ar y dechrau i newid am dewis y beirniad Mrs Nicola Jones. Ar diwedd y dydd, fe ddewisodd hi synod Rhapsody in black i ennill.
Undressed in third, number 700, and this is
Well, Phoebe Prater, you're showing on behalf of your grandmother today. I hope she's here or at least watching, because you have just been moved from second up to win the class here this morning.
Yeah, it's amazing. She's such a good girl.
Was it a lot of running? Do you have to do a lot? Like, did you go in there thinking, oh my gosh, I'm never going to be able to keep up? Because these section Cs, they may be small, but they are fast, aren't they?
Yeah, she's a lot stronger than I thought she was. I've never shown her before, so...
Oh gosh, I think you may be in for a full-time job now if you can win the Royal Welsh the first time showing her. Yeah. Is your grandmother here?
Yeah, she's watching on the sidelines. So
oh, fabulous. Well, I've seen Dad here, I've seen Mum here, so it's a real family affair. Have you been up for the week?
Yeah, so I had the A Stallion yesterday, which I was second with, and a Cob Mare as well, and the Rencullen stud, so yeah.
Well, I think you may have a full-time job now. Forget the riding, that you're going to be doing this the in-hand for full-time. You've had a fabulous week, really, really good. What else have you got left?
That's it now, just her left.
Just the winner. Yeah. We've got a championship to go in later, so llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn i ti a phob lwc.
Thank you.